Hello guys, welcome to my channel.
Hello guys, in this application we are going to learn how we can pass data from service to activity and how we can use the services for the help of activity. Here I have a simple example that I will click on this button get sum. This button will send the data num1 and num2 to the service, and the service at the background will calculate the sum of these two numbers and the result will display here. That means the result will come back from the service to activity. For that I am going to use a very simple library. It's called EventBus. So for that you have to implement this dependency in your Gradle file, then synchronize your application. After that I have created a data class in which we have a one sum variable that is the result of the sum, and in this example I have used only the sum of two number. You can perform any task at the background by using services, and you can display the result at your activity by just simple library event bus. Now I am creating a services here. Just create a new service, and this service I am giving a name that addition. Very simple. Finish. I am not adding this in the Gradle. So now I have to override a method that is on start command. On start command, and here I will use this intent to get the information from the main activity. So here I am importing. I have used the view binding, and with the help of view binding I am just accessing the button btn sum dot set on click listener and here I will send the number 1 and number 2 to the service. So I am creating an intent. Now with the help of intent I am passing, I am just calling the service addition class.java, and I am adding the value dot put extra, and here the num1, the value is num1, and I am passing here binding dot txt num1 dot text dot to string dot to int. So I am passing the int value to this. Similar way I am passing the second value, that is num2, and just start the service like this. Now I will get this information here with the help of intent. So I will create a variable here num1 equal to intent dot get int extra, and here I will pass num1, and here I will use not null symbol. And I have to pass default value also, that would be 10. and one more value I will get, that is num2, like this, and then I will get the sum. Now this result of sum I have to pass, not null symbol, this symbol sum I have to pass this result to the activity. For that I have to use the EventBus library. So I have to import some method. So first of all, on stop method, here I will override, I will register the EventBus, EventBus.getDefault.register unregister. Then I will unregister this activity, and I will register this activity here in the on create, register this. So this activity will get result back from the services. And one more method I have to override. I can make any function, one function I have to create on event. I can give any name, you can give any name. This I am saying on event, I can say on addition, anything I can give. And here I have to pass the thread, the parameter which we want to access from this your services. So that parameter will be the result set, this data set. So I am just creating an object of this. So I can say result, so result data, like this, and that will be val, not val, because in function we do not have to define the data type. And now I am creating this function, and here I will use to display data, that is binding dot txt result dot text equal to, and we say sum of two number equal to and plus, and I say result dot sum. This sum is the value that we have declared here. So we are using this result, and we have displayed this one. Everything is done. We have start the service also. Now we have to pass the result from the service to the activity. For that I am using EventBus dot get default dot post, and in the post I have to pass the value in result set, so result data, and here I have to pass the value sum, that is the sum of two number that I have to pass here. So this data set I am passing value, and here in the main activity I am getting this result here, and I am displaying this in the result text view. And this service is started, and I have to stop the service also. So I call stop self function to destroy or stop the services. Now if I run this application, you will see that it will calculate the sum at the background by the service, and that sum will get back in the activity just with a simple library is called EventBus. So we have one error. This error is coming because I have not explained how this function will execute. So this function will execute with a subscription notation, subscribe notation, and here I have to use thread mode equal to thread main order. So I have to use this also, because I have to explain that on which particular thread this function will execute. So it will execute in a main thread, and first service will execute, then after that this function will execute. That's why it's generating error. So now again we are just starting. You see, now I just give the number, suppose 23, and then I give other number 45. Then if I click on the get sum, these number will pass to service like this, and then from the service the sum of array, this text will be replaced by the sum of two number equal to 68. You see, if I change the result of this any number, get sum, again I will have the result, same result. So you see, with the help of this EventBus library, with very simple line of instruction, only one line of code, and here one method to unregister, one line to register, and one method to just get the result back. It's a very simple library, EventBus, to get this data from the service, and we can also use it in place of start service for result that has been deprecated in Android 11 and later version. So in place of that also we can use this EventBus library. So that's all in this video. Thank you for watching my video.